Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own Gmail account so you can send and receive emails, as well as create your own YouTube channel further down the line or just right after this video. We're going to cut to my computer screen and I'm going to show you from start to finish how you can create your own Gmail account in under 10 minutes. So with all that being said, let's just cut right to my computer screen. So first and foremost, we want to head over to Google and search for create Gmail account. The second option will be for you, but it could be the first one as well, it depends, but the first one is usually ads. So you basically start by typing in your first name, your last name. You can see what I'm doing. Of course you don't have to use your exact name if you are creating your account for someone else, for example. The use cases might be different here, and make sure to pick a secure password. This is not only relevant for a Google account, but for other accounts as well. And then you continue and it will prompt you with a phone number. Usually the phone number is optional, but it could be the case, I've seen this as well, that you have to actually provide your phone number in order to proceed in the setup. Then pick your gender. You can also choose you rather not say your gender. In that window you definitely want to choose the second option because we want to personalize our settings. So here this option is about saving your web and browsing activity, and I want to save this activity because I want to be able to go back in history when I'm searching for something that I can't remember in that exact moment I'm searching for it. This is your settings about your ad personalization. It doesn't matter which option you tick here, you will get the same amount of ads. But with one option you will get ads that are more tailored towards your interests, and with the other option you get random ads. And my thoughts about this are basically, if I get served ads anyway, they might as well be interesting for me. Yeah, here you just have to confirm your selection and have to agree to the terms of privacy. You already know this, guys. You always have to do some kind of agreement to some kind of terms. And the Gmail account is no exception for that. And we finished it. We are here in our back end of our Michelle Montana Gmail account. You can see it right there, the right hand corner. Left from that you can access all of the different apps that Google is providing, including YouTube, including of course your Gmail account, your mail account. And we're going to open that right now. And we should have received a message from Google right now that is welcoming us. These are the smart features. I usually turn them off because I don't really see any benefit in them, so just turn them off right from the start and confirm all the pop-ups that I'm prompted with. And here we are opening our first message, and Google should welcome us by now. Yeah, hi Michelle, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps and services. And that's it. That's it. You can make all sorts of different customization right in this email. Everything is very well documented there. But you don't really have to, because we have already set up everything you need to get started to use your Google Mail account to send emails and receive emails. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up to push my video through the algorithm so other people that are searching for the same topic, searching for the same help, can benefit as well. Also, if you want to stay updated on further content, watch more videos about how to start, how to grow, how to create, and how to basically manage your YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so you will get notified whenever I'm uploading something new. So with all that being said, thank you so much for joining. We see each other in the next one. Peace.